Hi everyone, I'm Ricky here from Tech Talk, and today we have another case unboxing. A massive thank you to Jasbon again for sending two cases along for the Huawei P30 Pro. So we've got two different colors here, and again we're going to go through them. We're going to put them on our device and we're going to talk through the benefits of having a Jasbon case. So full protective phone replacement cover. It's really good that you add a cover onto your phone. This is from Amazon UK, and here in the UK it costs $9.99. The link will be in the description, and the two colours we've got is a dark blue and a pink. So I went for two different options they've sort of sent me. So if I turn this one over, we can have a look at the back of the packaging here. Pretty much the same if you watched my other video. So they want to become a global brand. They're trying to grow their brand, and that's why they've reached out to the channel and asked if I would do some videos for them. So they want to be a global brand, and they have an Instagram, and they also have a website and available on Amazon. So all the links will be in the description. It offers 12 months warranty. That's really helpful as well. In case there is any issues with your case, you can actually say, I have a problem, and they'll sort it out for you. They offer a customer service as well, which is reachable 24 hours a day, and they will try and get hold of you within 24 hours as well. So they will try and help you out. So also here as well, I like, as we're talking about our environment and worried about our environments more and more now, especially when it comes to product, they're applying environmental silicone materials into their products. So that's a really good thing here. They are worried about our environment and take care of it as well. So that's really good. And when possible, always try and recycle your products you don't want, or try and sell them on. Don't throw them away. So let's get one unboxed. So let's cut across the top here. Just a bit of tape at the top here. So that's that one. And we'll do the pink one as well. It's nice to have two different colours. I can show off two different colours here. Sit that to the side. So first of all, let's take out the blue one. Have a look at the pink one as well. So our cases are now out. Let's have a look at this one. So a bit of protection over it. So our paperwork here. So not happy or happy, they want you to let them know. So that's really good. You've got some information inside here, and you have some QR codes down there at the bottom as well. So you can choose then to get into contact if you need to, which is a really good thing there. So having a look at our pink one here. Here is the case itself. This is a very dusky pink. It is very dusky, and I hope you can see the pink in the lighting as well. There will be images on my Instagram as well, so you'll be able to have a look at that. So let me just bring both these up. So as you know, with the Huawei P30 Pro, it does have a camera cutout that's quite large, and then a separate one next to it, as you can see here. Both holes look precise as well, all precise cutouts at the bottom. So the one way to test that if the case is going to work is actually putting it on your device. So there is installation instructions on the back of the packaging as well. So if I just hold that there for a second. So if I turn this around, it's saying to put in the top corners first, and then to put in the bottom ones. And then to take it out, you take out the bottom corners and then pull your device out. So it's good that it has an installation instructions there. So that slips in there. And there we go. So let's have a look at the camera cutout here. So as you can see, the cameras are not inhibited at all, and everything should work there. And it looks really nice in this case. And you actually get to see a bit more of the color here. So the buttons, so we have our power button. So does that work? Yes, it does. Yes, that works, which is really good. We've got our in-screen fingerprint sensor. Then you have your volume controls, which work as well. So it gives protection to them. The cutouts, let's have a look at the cutouts here. So we've got cutouts at the top, which are in the correct position. Nothing down the left-hand side. Coming down to the bottom. Yeah, that's just okay there, I'd say. A little bit lower, but obviously because it's such thin bezels there, but that looks okay. So that's really good. So let's take this case out. So you start at the bottom, put them two bottom corners out, and then you just pull out, which is nice. So let's put the blue one on. So putting the blue one in, remember you do the top corners first. You put it in an angle, push that up, squeeze them bottom corners in, and there is your dark blue case as well, which looks really nice. I think that's a really nice design to it, as I have the black model. So if you do have the Aurora or the Breathing Crystal, you might want a clear cover, but it is nice that this is going to add extra protection as well. It's a silicone cover as well, which means it can be wiped down if it gets dirty, which is really good. You can put water on this. I do recommend removing the phone, but it will actually wipe clean as well, which is really good. Inside the case here, for added protection on the back of your device, there is a microfiber coating inside here, so it will protect your device, and the silicone that runs all the way around here, so there's no sharp edges burying into your device. But it's nice to have that microfiber film inside there to actually protect our phone. So like I said, it's made from silicone, and what it will do is try and add extra protection. As you can see around the edges, it's actually a bit higher than what your display is. So when you put it down here, it's actually the case that is touching the desk, not your device, which is good. So it's adding protection here. It might give you a bit of support from drops, bumps and knocks, but I don't recommend going throwing it around as well. It will try and deflect through the case, but it doesn't promise that, so please be careful. Like I said, there are precise cutouts in every port, which is really nice. Yeah, this one's a little bit better on this one compared to the pink one here. The cutout seems to be a little bit better in my opinion, but that's okay. But like I said, if you have any issues, you can talk to them and they will help you out. The other added feature with these cases from Jasbon, it offers compatibility with wireless charging through the case. So I have my wireless charger here. Try that out. I have my wireless charger here. Place my device on, and there we go. It is charging, so that's really good to see. Also, with this case, it should give you the ability to use the reverse wireless charging as well that Huawei offer on their device. So I've got my S10e here. Place that on top, and as you can see, that's charging. So that wireless reverse charging option is still available here, which is really good. So the case is really good. It's on the phone, it's ready to use, and we'll be seeing how well it performs on this device. Obviously, I've shown on the S10 Plus as well. I had a case from them, and there's one other case for another device that I have as well coming up soon on the channel. If you do have any questions or queries about these Jasbon cases, please do let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help. There will be a link in the description to the Amazon UK store, to their website and Instagram page. And if you're new to Tech Talk, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of my latest videos. From me, Ricky, I will see you very soon. Bye for now.